So I'm in the process of reconfiguring my shop, and I wanted a miter saw station, but I don't have the room to have a dedicated miter saw station. So I made one that kind of folds down into the cabinet, and the lid of the bench will fold back down, giving me 9 feet of workspace. And if I can keep it clean when I need it again, I just pull it up. But this miter saw was about 65, maybe 80 pounds. Not exactly sure. But with the bench, it was pretty heavy, and it would slam down. Not slam down, but if I lost grip of it, it would slam back. So what I came up with was I put gas struts on underneath there. I put two 20-inch, 50-pound gas struts on. And it really helps. Like, you wouldn't even know that the shelf was weighted. So I pull these barrel bolts back. And the shelf just goes down. And when I want to pull it back up, it takes very little effort. But I get it back up. And I lock these barrel bolts back in place. And we're good to go.